Happy Puppy Day from our Seven Oaks Canine family, where every day is a puppy day. Meet our AKC confirmation champion, Lucy. Lucy is a shaded English cream miniature dachshund with her lineage originating from breeders in the United Kingdom. Shaded creams are born dark, and they vary in how quickly they lighten, with some maintaining a beautiful shaded overlay. There are also cream carriers, and in this case we have a shaded cream, a light clear red, and two shaded reds. Puppy personalities begin developing early, as you can see. What do you say? Goodness, go, bark about it. Yeah, she heard my camera flash. In addition to our long-haired miniature dachshunds, we also love our working German Shepherd canines. After purchasing these two Craftwork canine puppies last year, we had an amazing opportunity to purchase one of the most accomplished and titled working German Shepherd dogs in the U.S., Sehr gut Max vom Hausisma. Then the next month, we welcomed our two new girls, also titled in the EU, Aha von der Kahwe and Zara Venus in the Solka. Here are a few of our past working German Shepherd puppies, and oh, how we love our puppies, and can hardly wait to see what we have next. Whether we are inside or outside, we are always surrounded by puppy love of all sizes and ages. And of course, all of their shenanigans. Regardless of what we do, we are always on the go. And we definitely like to deck out when we go into town.
There's a lot of places now that you can eat outside. We'll take them, eat outside, we'll take Max, we'll take our girls.
I mean, that is, look at this. I'm talking and they're both looking. That's just incredible.
I'm giving you cheese. Here. You don't give him a command. You want him to keep watching. Good boy. Good boy. He doesn't move until you give him the next command.
We absolutely love working with our German Shepherd puppies. Their training can begin as early as 6 weeks because they are bred in such a way that they have a natural desire to be with you, their handler. They have that natural innate ability to concentrate even so young and to follow instructions. Because of his size, this puppy looks much older than he is. But actually, as of the day of this recording, which happens to be Christmas Eve, he is a week shy of being 4 months. If you are interested in learning more about these training techniques, please see the description box or comments for a link to the Craftwork Canine Store, where they offer a range of videos and training tools.
So you just have to, you just have to keep.
Yeah, just consistency. Know what you want.
She's paying attention.
There's a lot of distractions.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons, and stay tuned for more episodes featuring our 7 Oaks Canine family. See you next time.